How to save money without feeling like a miser. Let's be real. Saving money doesn't mean you have to use soap till it resembles your slippers or survive only on Maggie. Sounds simple, until your friends drop a brunch this Sunday, and suddenly you're 1,500 bucks down for biryani that tastes like pulav. But guess what? Saving money doesn't mean you have to ghost fun like your crush ghosts your texts. You just need to outsmart the spend. Here's how. Tip number 1. Pay yourself first, like a boss. Before you splurge on Zudio or another sale on Mintra, pay yourself. Set up an auto transfer so at least 20% of your income flies straight into savings, SIP, or FD, whatever floats your money boat. That way, you're not saving what's left. You're saving like a pro. And future you will high-five you hard. Tip number 2. Broke without actually being broke. Want to stop spending like Ambani's long-lost cousin? Trick your brain. Keep your spending cash in a separate account and yeet your savings into a do-not-touch zone. So when you check your main account, it'll look like Swiggy is only for those Sobo girls. But your savings? Silently doing Macarena in the background. Tip number 3. Spend consciously, not carelessly. Saving isn't about canceling fun. It's about spending where it actually matters. Mindless spending is Rs 300 cappuccinos every day, random Insta-buys at 2 a.m., and that gym membership you only use for selfies. Conscious spending equals solo trips, new guitar classes, weekend pani puri marathons with your bestie. Cut the nonsense, keep the joy. Bottom line, saving money isn't about sacrifice, it's about strategy. Drop a money emoji if you're ready to save smart, and share your best money hack in the comments below.